Good morning, everyone. I am Sadia Fatima from 9th class. The Constitution of India. Preamble. With the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and the secure to all its citizens. Justice, social, economic, and political. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitution Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, intact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Suvya Nilas from 9th class. Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I would like to speak about preamble of the Constitution of India. The preamble promises four main ideals: equality, justice, liberty, and fraternity. It also says India is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. The preamble tells what India stands for: freedom, equality, fairness, and unity. It reminds us that India belongs to all its people. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Ifat Begum from 9th standard. Respect teachers and principal and my dear friends. I would like to tell about a few points of membrane of our Constitution. Membrane of our Constitution is like the soul of India. It's being with the peoples of India, which show the power of our country. Come for the citizens. It's reminded us we are the innate country of peace, respect, and unity of everyone. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friend. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Constitution Day. Our Constitution is designed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Our India adopted our Constitution on 26 November 1949, and it will come into the force of 26 January 1950. There was a great struggle to make our Constitution, so we should respect and follow the Constitution. We should be a responsible citizen. Thank you.
To respected principal. Good morning to respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Humaira from 9th standard. Today we are celebrating Constitution Day. Every year on 26th November we celebrate Constitution Day because on 26th November Constitution was adopted by India. It was an action from January 2026. So that is why we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. As a responsible citizen, we should always respect our Indian Constitution. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aisha Chinat. I am from 9th standard. Every year on 26 November, it is marked as the Constitution Day because Constitution, which is drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, was adopted by our India and came into effect on 26 January. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, along with many others, have struggled and worked hard to draft the rule book, which is Constitution. So I conclude that we should be responsible and follow the rules of Constitution and make our country proud. Jai Hind. Myself Adiba Banu and I am from 9th standard. Today I would like to talk about justice. Justice means fairness, treating everyone equally. We don't look at their religion, caste, gender or wealth. We should look at their actions and rights. Society, let us remember, justice is not only the work of our court or police. It begins with you and me in our classroom and every day. Let us stand for what is right, even if it is difficult. Thank you.
Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are conducting a class debate on topic mobile phones are good or bad. We have two teams. Team A will speak for the topic and Team B will speak against the topic. Each speaker will get 1 to 2 minutes to speak. Let's begin the debate. Thank you.
Respected teachers and dear friends, I strongly believe that mobile phones are the home for the students. In today's world, mobile help us to learn through videos, apps and online classes. We can connect many students waste our time on mobile phone without even realizing it. Mobile phones also produce outdoor play and physical